Hi everyone, this is our sixth lecture of Unit 3, Ordinary Differential Equations in the course 19MA204, Complex Variables and Ordinary Differential Equations. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about Legendre's linear equation category. So in this type of equations can be reducible to homogeneous linear differential equation type. The general form of this Legendre's type of equation is ax plus b whole power n d power n y by dx power n plus k1 into ax plus b power n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus etc plus kn into y is equal to f of x. Here k and a and b are constants and f of x is a function of x. This equation can be reduced to homogeneous linear equation type. But for that, I am using the substitutions or ax plus b is equal to e power z, or after taking logarithmic in this particular equation, I will get the form z equal to log of ax plus b. I may rewrite dy by dx as like dy by dz into dz by dx. From this z itself, I can able to find dz by dx value. So after differentiating this z with respect to x, I will get a by ax plus b, because log differentiation value 1 by x. After differentiating this ax, I will get a. So I'm moving this ax plus b into left hand side. I will get ax plus b into dy by dx is equal to a into dy by dz. After that, I am going to use the operator of this d by dx and d by dy in the next step. It will gives ax plus b into dy is equal to a into d dash into y. Simply we need to replace ax plus b into d place into a into d dash. Similarly, the second and third derivatives are x plus b the whole square into d square is equal to a square into d dash minus 1, as like the third derivative x plus b whole cube into d cube is equal to a cube into d dash minus 1 into d dash minus 2. These are all the replacements we are going to use in this type of category. So let us move on to the first problem. Solve x plus 2 the whole square d square y by dx square minus x plus 2 into dy by dx plus y is equal to 3x plus 4. So I am writing the operator form of the given problem, which is equal to, in place of d by dx I am replacing d. X plus 2 the whole square into d square is equal to x plus 2 into d plus 1 into y is equal to 3x plus 4. So you just compare this coefficient with the general form. There I am having x plus b. So therefore a coefficient is x coefficient is a and the constant term is b. So therefore here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So let us move on to the replacements. So will you take it, this ax plus b is equal to e power z for all the problems. So therefore in place of ax plus b I am having x plus 2. We want to take it, this is equal to e power z. So after taking logarithmic, I will get it z equal to log of x plus 2. So next, in the operator form replacements are x plus 2 into d is equal to a into d dash, a is equal to 1. So therefore, we need to replace d dash alone. Like away, the second derivative, x plus 2 the whole square into d square is equal to a square into d dash minus 1. A square value is 1. So therefore, I want to replace alone d dash into d dash minus 1. So look at the order of the coefficient as well as the derivative, both are same. So otherwise we need to do some alterations here. So here second derivative, the coefficient also second order. The first derivative, the coefficient is order 1. So therefore this is in correct form. No need to make any other changes in this particular one. So direct away I am going to make some replacements using this substitutions. So after replacing this replacements into the given problem operator form, I will get d dash into d dash minus 1 minus d dash plus 1 into y is equal to 3 into, in place of x, here I am having x, I want to change this whole equation in terms of z. So therefore, in the right hand side also we need to make some replacements. From this equation x plus 2 is equal to e power z, I can able to find out x value. So x is equal to e power z minus 2. I am going to use this into RHS side plus 4. So after multiplying this 3 with this e power z minus 2, I will get 3 times of e power z minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 gives minus 2. In the left hand side, simplificative terms are d dash square minus 2d dash plus 1 into y, which is equal to, or it is 3 into e power z minus 2. This looks like an ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient category. So here all the derivative containing only the constant coefficients. Hereafter we can proceed this as usual method. I am writing the auxiliary equation of this particular operator form. M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. In place of d dash I am replacing m, that is it. After simplifying this, I will get the roots are 1 comma 1. Here the roots are repeated. While I am developing the complementary function as well as the particular integral, we need to write the solution in terms of z alone, because in this particular final equation, the independent variable is z. The derivative with respect to z. So therefore, we need to develop the complementary function as well as the particular integral in terms of z alone. So therefore, complementary function is equal to c1z plus c2 into e power z, because the roots are repeated. Let us move on to the particular integral, which is equal to 1 by function of d dash into RHS term. In the RHS, I am having 3 into e power z minus 2. Whenever I am having constant in the exponential terms, I want to take that constant into e power 0 z. So alone the constant, we know we don't have any other method. So therefore, I am taking that constant into e power 0 z. Now I am separating these two terms. After separating, I will get like this. In the first term, we are having that function is 3 into e power z. So therefore, I am using the replacement for d dash is equal to 1, because e power z coefficient is 1. After replacing d dash is equal to 1, the denominator becomes 0 in the first term. Let us move on to the second term. Here e power z coefficient is 0, we need to replace d dash is equal to 0. So therefore, after replacing, I will get 2 by 1 into e power 0 z. The first term I am getting denominator 0. For that, in the previous step, where I using the replacement in the previous step, here I need to multiply 1 z in the numerator and differentiate the denominator with respect to d dash once. So after differentiating, I will get 2 into d dash minus 2 in the denominator. In the numerator 3 as a constant, take it in different. So 3 into z times into e power z minus, in the second term I will get the consolidated one minus 2 alone, because e power 0 z value is 1. Again, I am going to make a replacement for d dash, which is equal to 1. Once again, I am getting 0 in the denominator. In this particular step only, I am replacing d dash now. So therefore, here I need to multiply once again z in the numerator and differentiate the denominator with respect to d dash. This d dash become 1. So therefore, I will get in the denominator value alone 2. The finally, I will get 3z square by 2 into e power z minus 2. This is our final p dot I value. The complete solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. I am just adding together. I will get the general solution of this particular equation. At last, for all the problems, we must replace z value in the final solution. So z is equal to log of x plus 2. We want to replace z value at finally. This is our general solution. Let us move on to the second problem. Solve x plus 1 whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus 1 x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 4 times of cos of log of x plus 1. So compare this coefficient with the general form ax plus b. Here a is equal to 1, b is also 1. So we need to take this ax plus b is equal to e power z. So therefore, here I am having ax plus b is equal to 1 plus x. So therefore, I am taking 1 plus x is equal to e power z. This become z is equal to log of x plus 1. And finally, we need to use this z replacement in the final answer. Therefore, the first derivative term 1 plus x into d is equal to d dash, and the second derivative term 1 plus x the whole square into d square is equal to d dash into d dash minus 1. These are all the replacements for this particular problem, because here a is equal to 1. So the given equation can be written as after using these replacements. In the first term become d dash into d dash minus 1 plus this particular replacement is d dash plus 1 into y is equal to 4 times of cos of log of x, 1 plus x is nothing but z. I am using that. So the simplify, the left hand side value is d dash square minus d dash plus d dash getting cancelled. At last I am getting d dash square plus 1 into y is equal to 4 into cos z. So this comes under the second type category. In the left hand side I am having the derivative coefficient is constant. I am going to solve this by second type. First I am writing the auxiliary equation m square plus 1 is equal to 0. After simplifying this I will get the roots are plus or minus I. Here the roots are imaginary. Here alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 1. So therefore complementary function is c1 into cos z plus c2 into sin z. Let us move on to the particular integral, which is equal to 1 by function of d dash into right hand side term. Right hand side I am having the trigonometric term. So therefore I need to replace alone d dash squared. We can able to operate only d dash squared. We don't have any other replacement for d dash. So therefore here a is equal to z coefficient is 1. In place of d dash square I want to replace minus 1 square. Minus 1 square value is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 getting cancelled, the denominator becomes 0. So therefore in the previous step I need to multiply 1z in the numerator and differentiate the denominator with respect to d dash. This gives 4 times of z by 2 times of d dash into cos z. 4 by 2 getting cancelled, it will give 2. 2z times of 1 by d dash of cos z. 1 by d dash means it is integration with respect to z. So integration of cos z value plus sin z. The final answer is 2z into sin z, which is our particular integral. So the complete solution is combination of complementary function plus particular integral. So you just add together, we will get the final solution. And finally, we must want to replace z value. Z initially we are taken log of 1 plus x, and finally we need to replace that into this particular solution. This is our general solution of the given problem. So let us move on to the third category. X plus 1 whole cube into y double dash plus 3 into x plus 1 the whole square into y dash plus x plus 1 into y is equal to 6 times of log of x plus 1. So look at this order. Second derivative, the first term second derivative, but the coefficient order is 3. We must want to do some process here for matching this order. So I am just taking, after writing this operator form, I am just taking x plus 1 into out. So after taking out, I will get the first term as x plus 1 the whole square into d square plus 3 times of x plus 1 into d, plus in this place I am having 1. So after taking out, I am just moving that into RHS side. I will get RHS become 6 times of log of x plus 1 by x plus 1. So here the operator as well as the coefficient order must be same. So this is the correct form. Now I move on to the replacements. The derivative coefficient is x plus 1, that we need to take into e power z. So this gives z equal to log of x plus 1, as well as look at this, x coefficient is 1, that is a, and constant is 1, that is b. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 in this particular problem. So let us move on to the replacement for the derivative terms. X plus 1 into d is equal to a into d dash, that is equal to d dash. And x plus 1 the whole square into d square is equal to a square into d dash minus 1. Here a square value is 1. So therefore these are all the replacement for this particular problem. So I am going to use these things into equation number 1. So this gives a d dash into d dash minus 1 plus 3 times of d dash plus 1 into y is equal to 6 log of x plus 1 by x plus 1. Log of x plus 1 is nothing but z, by x plus 1 is e power z. So therefore I am getting the RHS term as 6z by e power z. I am just moving this e power z in the numerator. I will get 6 times of z into e power minus z. After simplifying this, I will get the terms of d dash square plus 2 times of d dash plus 1 into z in the left hand side. Yeah, this looks like the derivative differential equation with constant coefficient category. So therefore, I'm move on with the normal differentiation equation with the constant category of problems. Okay, so right hand side I'm having z into e power z. So while I'm finding the particular integral, I'm following the fourth type category. Now I'm writing the auxiliary equation m square plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. I'm simplifying this, I will get the roots are minus 1 comma 1. The roots are repeated. So therefore, I want to write the complementary function as c1 into z plus c2 into e power minus z. So next I move on particular integral 1 by a function of d dash values 6 into z into e power minus z. So this comes under fourth type category. So therefore, I need to make a replacement for d dash by d dash minus 1. I am operating this exponential at first. After that, I am moving this constant as well as this exponential at front because this duty is over. In d dash place, I am replacing d dash minus 1. After replacing, I will get this form in the denominator. I am opening this d dash minus 1 the whole square by using a minus b the whole square formula. Next, I am multiplying this d dash minus 1 with this 2. After that, I am getting the terms over d dash square minus 2 times of d dash plus 1 and here 2d dash minus 2 plus 1. I am simplifying this because minus 2 times of d dash plus 2 times of d dash getting cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 getting cancelled. And finally, I get alone d dash square in the denominator. Right hand side I am having x alone. 1 by d dash square means 2 times I need to integrate this z with respect to z. After integrating 2 times of z, I will get z cube by 6. Of course, first integration gives z square by 2. Second integration gives z cube by 3. Already in the denominator I am having 2. So therefore, 2 into 3 become 6. This is our final p dot I here 6 and 6 getting cancelled with the numerator 6. Okay, the finally I will get z power 3 into e power minus z in particular integral. So I am just adding complementary function and particular integral for the complete solution. So after that I am getting this form. And finally, we must want to replace z value in the final solution, that is log of x plus 1. So which is our general solution of the given problem. Thank you everyone.